Here are the tools used in this video to install our seatbelts. Impact wrench, socket bit, 14, 2 17s, and an 18mm socket. You don't need to use power tools, but it does make the job quicker. We'll be installing a 4-passenger seatbelt setup from Modz. The kit comes with a 4-passenger crossbar that attaches to the seat post. It also includes 4 sets of seatbelts and all the hardware and brackets to complete the installation. First thing we'll do is assemble the seatbelts to the support bracket. My kit comes with a set of nuts and washers and is designed to be installed in this order from left to right. Bolt, seatbelt then bracket, star lock washer, steel washer, lock washer, then nut. Hey, this is Paul from Streetwise Carts, and before we jump in, I just want to let you know that this video is part of our free street legalization mini course available at streetwisecarts.com. Signing up for this course also gives you our downloadable parts buying worksheet. This free mini course is the installation portion of our full street legalization course that goes over all the state paperwork and compliance issues that you need to be aware of when converting your golf cart to a street legal LSV. You can find a link to the free mini course along with a 10% off coupon for our full street legalization course right down below this video. All right, let's jump back in. These can be finger tightened at this point so we can make the final adjustments once it's mounted. Make sure to assemble the female side of the seatbelt assembly in the centers of the mounting bracket, just like a car would be, with the belt clipping in from outside to inside. We'll continue attaching the seatbelts to the bracket on the driver's side first, then we'll flip over the bar and attach the passenger side. The passenger side has 2 holes for mounting. Most commonly, the furthest hole is used. When finished, it should look something like this. Now the seatbelts are placed behind the seat and secured to the posts. I go ahead and put my seat back on at this point. Back at the workbench, I'm preparing the bracket mounting hardware by inserting the washers and bolts into these flat metal rectangles. Now, I assemble them to the bracket using the 17mm bolts alternating from side to side until tight. Before I tighten down the seatbelts, I'm testing out the angles of the belts and making sure there'll be clearance for the seats to flip up. The seatbelt input uses a bendable wire inside for adjustments, so I bend them to where I feel happy enough to tighten. The belts themselves are generally best at a 45-degree angle universally, so I go ahead and tighten them at that angle using the 14mm and 18mm sockets. Finally, I tighten the seatbelt inputs. Time for a test. They're up a little high, but overall I'm happy with them, and I'll probably adjust them down a little bit down the line.